Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into creating an effective project timeline in Zoho Project. First things first, log into your Zoho Project account. Once you're in, locate the Projects tab and select the project you're planning. This step is important as it allows you to focus on one project at a time, keeping things organized and streamlined. Now that we've done that, click on the Task tab. Here's where you'll create your tasks. When creating each task, make sure to include essential details like task name, start date, end date, and assignee. The reason we do this is to ensure everyone involved in the project knows their responsibilities and deadlines clearly. Next up, we'll create the timeline. Click on Gantt View under the Task tab. This helps us because Gantt View gives us a visual representation of our project timeline, showing task dependencies and progress. With your tasks listed on the left, start dragging the bars next to each task to set their duration. Adjustments can be made easily by dragging the edges of these bars. Let me explain why this matters. It helps to visually estimate the time needed for each task, keeping your project on track. Once you're satisfied with your timeline, don't forget to save it. The Save button is located on the top right corner. This is a critical step to ensure all your hard work doesn't go to waste. And there you have it, a well-planned project timeline in Zoho Project. Remember, a good timeline is the backbone of a successful project. It keeps everyone on the same page and ensures that work is completed on time. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.